You are in the matrix. What do I mean by that? We live in a world where things are supposed to be a certain way, yet we respond differently. For example, if I say up, you say if I say stop, you say huh. If I say left, you say does anybody here have any desire to raise both your hands in the air right now? Okay, like before I even said it, like right now, like any reason they're like, okay, so you want to do it, okay, that's fine. From this point on, you're not allowed to because I said so. Alright, so we got a bunch of you. There you go, everybody hands in the air. Exactly. So you have the rebels. I know there's some of you, you're sitting in your chair. You just want me to turn around so that you can do it because you like to break the rules, but only in private. You know what I'm saying? Like you run with scissors. Cut a tag off the mattress, like you're wild and crazy when no one's watching. I understand that completely. I say up, you say down. I say left, you say right. I say stop, you say go. I tell you, you're not allowed to put your hands up. You immediately want to do it. Now watch what happens. 3, 2, 1. Put your hands up if you want. It's cool. Okay? What do you immediately not care about anymore? It's crazy. It's in our minds. I say up, you say down. I say left, you say right. I say stop, you say go. You all have oppositional defiance disorders.